Do you want to know?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, I'm Blizzyivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So in today's video, I'm doing deep conditioning on my hair, and this deep conditioning is so good, and I've tried it. Like, it's one of the best deep conditioning I've ever done while transition. In case you don't know, let me tell you, on this video I'm doing transitioning, and this month will make it 6 months of transitioning. So I just take off my cornrows. I have it for 2 weeks now. So what I'm going to do first before going into the deep conditioning is to pre-pull my hair. Because I'm doing transitioning, I have two textures on my hair. I have the natural growth and the relaxed part, so I'm just be gently with my hair so that I don't end up losing much hair. So I'll just part my hair in 4 places. So for my pre-pull, I'm using this aloe vera oil. Like, I did a video, and I'll leave the link somewhere here to go and check it out if you want to know how I make my aloe vera oil. So I'm just going to work in session. So guys, I'm done with the pre-pull. What I'll do next is to cover it for at least 30 minutes before washing it off with shampoo. So let's go ahead and prepare the deep conditioner. So here are the things I'll be using for this DIY deep conditioning. So I have 1 banana here, I have 1 avocado, castor oil, mayonnaise, and almond oil. And the avocado, I'm using half of this avocado. So these are the things. Time to blend them. The homemade deep conditioner is ready. It's time to apply it on my hair, so let's go. So I've washed my hair with shampoo, so it's time to apply the deep conditioner paste here. So I'm not applying the paste. What I'll do next, cover it with a plastic bag, then I'll use my hot cap to heat it. I'll use this, my hot cap, to heat it very well. Okay, let's go. Then I'll use my hand dryer, this one, they put it here. So after heating it up about 10 minutes, what I'll do next is just wash it off. And then, guys, I've washed and dried my hair. I didn't use hand dryer, I didn't use any heat on it. I just allow it to dry. It's a little bit damp, but now it's time to apply my oil. So I have my oil here. I use this oil every 3 to 4 days to rub my scalp. This is the oil here. Is a, I don't know if you can see that, but this is it. So for leave-in conditioning, I'm using my shea butter. It's bedtime because it's very late at the time I'm doing this video. I'll just go in with my bonnet and then wear it to retain the moisture. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, if you watch it to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much, and don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button there to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay any coin, you don't have to pay any money. All you need to do is just to hit on the red subscribe button there to subscribe. And also feel free to share this video, feel free to try it at home. Everything I use on that place is optional. You can decide to add, you can decide to remove from it, so it all depends on you, and you have a lot of benefits on your hair. It contains a lot of protein. So guys, I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.